Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you my ultimate guide to achieve the perfect cat eyeliner. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your technique, this tutorial definitely will help you master the iconic sultry cat eye look. So, why are you waiting? Grab your favorite liner and let's get started. Always start with a clean and prepped face. I am going to be starting with my eyebrows, and to sculpt it I am going to be using a black eyeshadow as my eye pomade to fill my brows. To clean up underneath my brows as a primer, I am using concealer from Forever 52 Multitasker palette. Dip into the peach corrector and clean my brows as well as eyelids. And blend it with the help of triangle puff and set it with the translucent powder to ensure my liner lasts longer and stays smudge free. Draw a small diagonal line from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow. This will be the tail of your cat eye. For this cat eye, using a fill tip or gel liner, I am using a PAC Spotlight gel liner in the shade black. From the end of the guideline, draw a line back towards the center of your upper lash line, creating a triangle shape. This is your wing of the cat eye. Fill the triangle with your gel liner. Ensure it's smooth and even. Starting from the inner corner of your eye, draw a thin line along your upper lash line. Connect it to the base of the wing. Keep the line as close to your lashes as possible. And then sharp your inner corner as well to make your cat eye lift. Check both of the eyes to ensure the wings are symmetrical. To clean up any mistakes and sharpen the lines, use a cotton swab dipped in the makeup remover. And then I finish the rest of my face with foundation, translucent powder, contour, lipstick and some mascaras. And there you have it, the perfect cat eye. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you like, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and comment below if you have any question or if there's a look you did like to see next. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye guys.